Anthropic has just launched a brand new fellowship called Claude Corps. An application for the January 2027 and August 2027 cohorts are open up right now. They're setting out to hire 1,000 people willing to research AI with up to $85,000 annual salary. Now this fellowship is for people who are really curious about AI, who have deep-minded interest in AI and making it a better and safe place for humanity. Today, my mission is a simple one. I'm going to show you exactly what the Claude Corps is, who can apply, what you need, and how to get your application in today. So whether you have prior AI experiences or not, please stick with me till the very end. All information that will be shared in today's video will be gotten directly from Anthropic's official website, backing up this evidence. So if you've been looking for an opportunity as this, then give this video a big thumbs up and share it to someone else who may be looking for same opportunity as you are. Now, what really is the Anthropic Claude Corps? I mean, they are taking people with under 2 years of working experiences and placing them inside non-profit organizations, government agencies, and public interest institutions across the United States. And one thing I love so much about this fellowship is that fellows are not going to be watching from the sideline. You are going to be doing real work. You're going to be leading AI projects using Claude, Anthropic, most advanced AI tool to solve real-world problem, making a genuine impact every single day. And the published annual stipends for this fellowship is $85,000 according to Anthropic's official website. They are planning to place 1,000 fellows across 3 cohorts. Now, this is not a small experience at all. It is a big one. It is real, and this changes everything. It is a life-changing opportunity. Now, you're probably wondering, Clara, do I qualify? And if I do, must I be residing in the United States before I can participate? Here's the honest truth, and I'm going to get to everything. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have under 2 years of full-time work experiences. You do not need a college degree. You do not need a computer science background. You do not need to know how to code, as this fellowship, however, is for experiences and you'd be trained in it. Now, what Anthropic is looking for is hands-on comfort with AI tool. So you must be very comfortable using AI tool and the ability to learn very quickly. You must have strong communication skill, self-direction, and a genuine drive to work on challenges that matters to society. So they don't care about your grade, your degree, or your PhD, not even your title. They want to see if you have the ability to show up and make a difference. But I must be upfront here about something really important. You must already have valid work authorization in the United States for the full 12 months of the fellowship. This program also does not offer visa sponsorship, so you need to be legally able to work in the US to apply right now. Now, I know some of you are already thinking, this sounds amazing, but I'm not in the US right now. What do I do? Here's my advice. If you're not within the US, but you really want to participate in opportunities such as this in the future, I would say start building your AI skill right now. Start using Claude today. It's for free to use. Learn how to use it, build things with it. Document as you create, because Anthropic has already said they plan to expand Claude Corps beyond the United States. So the next opportunity may be in Ghana, Cameroon, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Philippines, India. So you never can tell, but you can only participate when you are prepared. So start preparing today for when that time comes. Now, if you're already in the United States, here is how to apply for this fellowship. Go directly to the Anthropic official website. The link is in the description box and pinned comment of this video. You could also check my WhatsApp channel for the direct link to apply. Now, the application would ask you for your background details and 2 short answer questions. one about a time you've made an impact in your community, and one about a time you learned from a mistake. They want to see how you think, how you communicate, hence the reason for this short test. You will also complete 2 short AI training modules before submitting. So before you apply, spend time actually visiting Claude, get familiar with that. That hands-on experiences is exactly what they are looking for. That is it for today's video. If you found today's video really helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear about this, and drop Claude Corps in the comments so I know you watch to the end. And please subscribe if you have not, as every week I bring you real opportunities, real steps to build your career. Thank you, wish you the best, and catch you in my next one.